Welcome back, students, to my class on marketing management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. From my above lectures, you are now clear about the concept and definition of marketing. And we have seen that marketing is a much larger aspect than what we used to consider or what we used to previously think. It is considered as advertising and selling, as we had already seen, are considered as part of or tip of the marketing iceberg. So we have compared marketing to an iceberg that floats on some ocean, and selling and advertising are just small parts of marketing. So marketing is the overall main aspect that brings the company, the customers, and the products or services together. So therefore, from the above discussion, it is seen that marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping, and growing customers through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. The analysis, planning, implementation, and control of programs designed to create, build, and maintain beneficial exchanges with target buyers for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. So here, from the above we have seen, it can be concluded that marketing is both an art and a science of choosing the target markets and keeping customers at hand or retaining the existing customers, and also uh, uh, building the customer base by communicating superior customer value. So it is both an art and science, right? It requires both the skill and as well as a technical aspect to not only retain the existing customers but also building the customer base by promising them of more value. So it is an analysis, planning, and implementation and control program. So it combines everything, the analysis, the planning, as well as the implementation programs that are taken up by different organizations to target the prospective buyers, right, for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. So at the end, the main purpose is to achieve the organizational objectives. And for achieving the organizational objectives, we have seen that marketing management plays a very important role in not only analyzing but also planning, implementing, and controlling the desired marketing programs. Thank you very much.